How you going, guys? Today we're going to be talking about LinkedIn targeting and how you can get the most out of LinkedIn ads by targeting the right people. Let's jump straight in. So straight off the bat you can see we're in LinkedIn Campaign Manager and we're already in the setting up the campaign and we're looking at targeting. So under the audiences settings you can see that we have two settings, LinkedIn or saved audiences. This is where saved audiences appear, and we have LinkedIn audiences over here, and these are pre-made audiences by LinkedIn. And you can see how they work by simply clicking on one. We'll select yes. And you can see we've selected financial advisors. And you can see that LinkedIn is targeting people in these industries and with these job titles. It's quite a lot. And you can see the forecast results here is saying we've got 48,000 people that we can target. Let's go and clear these pre-made selections and go select our own. So let's say you're a pool business and you're based out of Brisbane. You might go, let's target people in Brisbane. And you can see straight off the bat our forecasted results have updated to 950,000 people. And we're going to select people who have permanent location in Brisbane. This means they're living or working in Brisbane. Profile language will stay as English because that's what we speak in this business as a pool cleaner, because that's what we are. And we're going to select narrow audience further. So when we're looking at people and we've got certain attributes we want to target, we can select them in here under audience attributes. We can select and target by company, demographics, education, job experience, and interests. So we can go in here and select different companies. So we might target people who work at companies. So let's search people who target people who work at Google. And sure enough, on the right hand side, forecasted results, no one works at Google and lives in Brisbane. So we'll clear that one, clicking that there. But let's go back and we'll select demographics or education and go fields of study. We'll target people in Brisbane who work in marketing. So select marketing, and here we go. You can see our forecast results are now updated to 18,000 people. We can also narrow this further by going down here and clicking narrow audiences further. And now this is saying that our target audiences must have these attributes of being in Brisbane, studying the field of marketing, and then also have this further attribute, and we might select the interest of health. And here we go. Now we can see we've got 5,500 people to target. And we can also select audiences further again and select more things to target. We can also exclude in the same way that we've done this. So if we want to exclude people who like, potentially they don't like politics, we'll exclude people who do like politics. We can see we're too small. So let's get rid of that. And we might just select technology. We'll get rid of that too. But that's how excluding works. Down here we have enable audience expansion. So this essentially means that it's going to show you out more people who have a similar style to your targeting. I would recommend turning this off in the beginning. I would only recommend turning this on once you've reached and maxed out your audience here. So if you've spent $1,000 targeting at these people, you might then want to enable audience expansion to reach more people. And down here you can see save as template. So this is where we can save it, this results that we've selected, and you'll see it appear under saved audiences. And here we go, we can view audience summary, and this is just a nice neat way of looking at what you're selecting, and you can screenshot this and send that off to people to show you what you're targeting. We'll select save as a template and we'll go Brisbane marketing. I'm going to save, and now we can find that back up here so we can always reach it. Here we go, Brisbane marketing. Thanks so much for today, guys. Hope you learned something. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.